Hello readers, today we are at the launch of the Yamaha R15 version 2, which is the 2011 new facelifted version of the Yamaha R15. We'll just walk you around this bike to show you what has changed and what has not. And from the front you can see the fairing has changed and the tire hugger has also changed. The mudguard now looks slightly different and more close to the tire. It has got large telescopic front suspension like before, and from the sides you can see the fairing has pronouncedly changed and uplifted, and it is inspired by the Yamaha R6 sports bike. And going to the sides you can see there is a new tire hugger, and upwards there is a new split seat, and the cushioning of the seat has also been improved. The rear seat is for the pillion rider is slightly higher, gives it a better style appeal, and the tail lamps are LED. They are here, and it has got the same monoshock suspension, and the exhaust muffler has been facelifted. It also comes with the R15 badge here, and you can see it's black plated, and here you have some carbon like finish. Apart from this, the bike looks all the more sporty and attractive. The split seat and tire hugger is the main attraction which you can differentiate it from the rear. The rear of the bike has been more enhanced as compared to the front. You can see the headlamps, and the instrumental cluster is again part analog and part digital. It comes with a analog tachometer and a digital odometer as well as the speedometer. Apart from this, the plastic quality is good. The engine noise is quite low, and the controls are quite sturdy. So the bike feels good all in all. Do let us know your suggestions and comments about the bike. Thank you for watching.